just a few days before we leave for Disney. I'm so excited. So we are going to be doing some last minute things today. I do need to go to Walmart to get a memory card reader, like an SD card reader for my computer, because my camera is like having a hard time downloading the photos just like using Wi-Fi. So we're gonna run to Walmart to get that. I have to pack and get any like last minute items, so let's go ahead and go to Walmart. We just arrived at Walmart and let's go ahead and hopefully we can find our card reader. We just got back from Walmart and I found everything I needed and then some. I did get these pajama bottoms because they look super comfortable and they were like $8. I got what I came for, so I got the SD and micro SD memory card reader, and it was $17.98. I thought it was cheaper online, but maybe not. This was just like the Walmart brand, so it would go in either using a USB-C port or USB port. You can just put the memory card or micro memory card in there, which works well because I have both. And then I found this and I wasn't looking for it, but it was $6.98. This is a like tripod grip and that's pretty small. So I was looking for some sort of tripod to put my phone on. So we'll try this, and also it'll make it easier to hold. And then I just got like some adhesive tape. I have a dress that is fairly low cut and I don't really have a bra to wear with it, so we're gonna try that tape. It was like $7, so we'll see. So got everything I needed. We're gonna go ahead and head on home. So I am currently in my bedroom because we need to pack. I leave tomorrow. I do not suggest waiting this long to actually pack. My full-time job is a teacher and we are still in school right now, and we leave tomorrow. Normally I have about a month or two to prepare for a trip because I go in the summertime. I'm leaving tomorrow, so I'm in a bit of a rush. But I'm gonna go ahead and make sure that all of my outfits that I have fit and that they're comfortable and I like the way they look. However, I did get an Amazon package, so we're gonna open that up. This just came today in the nick of time. I was a little concerned when I ordered it, and for a while it was just kind of, it left China and I didn't hear anything, and it arrived today. So let's go ahead and open this up because this is an alternative to like a Magic Kingdom outfit. We have two athletic dresses. This is the first one. I love this color. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna have to try this on. I don't know how I feel about it. The material reminds me of a book cover, like from school, where you had to like cover your book. It is this blue athletic dress. It does have shorts built in with pockets. So this is kind of what the front looks like. And then it has this kind of crisscrossed over back. It looks like it's a little potentially twisted right now. I got it in this blue color, and then I also got it in this royal blue color, which is similar to the other athletic dress that I got. The same thing in a royal blue color. The only good thing about these is there's a little bit more back coverage, which was my issue with the other one. So I'm gonna go ahead and try these on and we'll see how they look. It doesn't really have a built-in bra. It's just like the little foam padding that you would have in a swimsuit. I don't think this is it. Like, this is the back. It does have built-in shorts with a pocket. I'm gonna go ahead and try on the other blue one. I think it's gonna be the same exact thing, but let me try the other blue one on just to make sure. But I think this is definitely going to be a return. But it's not the most flattering. The back looks like this is gonna be a return. Let me try on some of the other things that I got. So I got this dress from Amazon. I think this is my new favorite athletic dress. This is like a dupe for the Halara one. However, it has the built-in shorts and they do have pockets in it. I would suggest, if you can, getting the ones that have like the easy access panel in it, so you can just like pull the shorts down, because if I have to go to the bathroom, it is going to be a complete mess because I'm going to have to like completely just take everything off. But I absolutely love the detail. It's very flattering, and also the back is absolutely adorable. So I think this is going to be for Magic Kingdom. I think for this one, because I am concerned with the open back, I don't want to wear a Loungefly and like potentially stain or run my Loungefly with either sweat or self-tanner. So I think I'm probably just going to wear a belt bag with this outfit because this is cheap enough. If it gets stained, I can just get another one. I think I might just do my classic black and white mini ears or the silver ears. The only thing with this is they have a little purple 100th medallion that doesn't really match with the blue. So I think I might remove this, even though these are like a cast member special. They were at the outlets. I didn't realize it until after the fact, but I think I might just remove the 100th medallion. I can always add it later, but I think the silver will look pretty cute with this outfit. This outfit will either do silver or black and white for the first part of Magic Kingdom. For the second part of the day, I am typically a t-shirt and biker shorts type of person, so I think that is what I'm going to wear. I just have this t-shirt with Stitch on it eating a snow cone. I believe it is from either Ross or, no, this one I think is from TJ Maxx or Marshalls. I got this one from Marshalls. I think I'm going to wear this blue pair of mini ears with it to kind of just match Stitch. They do have a Stitch pair. I just don't know if I'm going to get those or not. I will be using this Stitch bag with Scrump in it, but this is an absolutely gorgeous bag, and I want to make sure I'm wearing it with something that is a t-shirt so the back doesn't get stained because it's super pretty. And I'm going to be adding my little Scrump cutie cuff to it. So just adding that to the strap. I think this will be my second part of our Magic Kingdom day. And for the second day, I'm going to go with a Ratatouille inspired outfit. I still need to make the shirt, so I will insert pictures whenever I get this made, but I'm going to just put a Ratatouille decal on this shirt. I have this athletic skirt from Amazon that has shorts with pockets built in. It is super comfortable. It also kind of has a V waistline, so that is flattering. I'm going to be wearing these macaroon mini ears that I got in Epcot from the France Pavilion the last time that I went. It just has mini with these macaroons on it. I feel like it fits the vibe, and they smell like vanilla. And then for my bag, I'm still going with like the food and sweet treats, so I am going to be bringing my little Mickey mini sweet treat Loungefly. It also matches kind of the coloring that goes with the ears. So this will be my Epcot Ratatouille inspired outfit. I think for Animal Kingdom, I'm just going to wear this shirt again. I've already worn it before, so we're just going to be an outfit repeater, but that's okay. And then I always go Baby Yoda or Grogu for Hollywood Studios. I don't know if I want to do the same vibe or if I want to do a different take, so I will include all of my options for Hollywood Studios. I would pair this shirt with the same skirt from Epcot, but it just has this classic mini on it. I got it from the outlets, so I would probably do this. I'd be going for like a classic old school mini kind of look. Her shirt's hot pink, so I don't know if I would do the hot pink ears. The only thing I feel like is that the pinks don't match. So this is a little bit more subdued than what's on my head. Or I could go a different route and do like classic mini ears. But the only thing with these is these are blue, which also doesn't really match what she's wearing. But it just might be the vibe. So, but I would wear this. I would probably still just wear this with my snack Loungefly because who doesn't like snacks? So this would be kind of my first outfit that doesn't actually have a character on it. I have these new Grogu ears that I am 100% wearing because these are my first official Disney park Grogu ears. I could wear this, my new Mandalorian and Grogu Loungefly. So I could wear this or just do a classic t-shirt and biker short situation with the Loungefly. So I could do this shirt, or I have one other shirt. Or just do this shirt. It's super oversized and comfortable. I just messed it up. It has a little embroidered baby Yoda on it. The only thing is, like, I'm not super crazy about the back of it. This is what the back looks like. I'm not super crazy about the back, but it's fine. This is comfortable. So I'm not sure what we're gonna do for Hollywood Studios, but probably just go along the lines of a t-shirt and biker shorts for that as well. Then we need our Animal Kingdom outfit. This has kind of been my go-to Animal Kingdom outfit. It just has Minnie Mouse and there's some like cheetah leopard print in the background with some bike shorts. Now I am sad because she's more like orangey coral and I don't really have many ears to match it. There was a coral pair of mini ears. I just wasn't able to get my hands on them. This is probably the closest I can get. I don't know if I am super excited about these with this outfit. I don't think so. So this will probably just be something I would use my like classic mini ears with. But this would be for Animal Kingdom. Probably just use my snack Loungefly for Animal Kingdom. Okay, I think we're going to start off with the large suitcase and see what all we can fit. I think if I were to do both the large suitcase and the carry-on, I think my boyfriend might turn around and drive away when he pulled up to get me and saw that I had 2 suitcases plus probably a bag. But so let's go ahead and start with this. I don't think I'm even going to mess with the small. So I have my suitcase for set up in this corner of my room. I also have all kinds of things that I'm going to need to pack just kind of piled up right here. What I like to do is get on the notes or like the reminder app on my phone and just make a packing list. Sometimes I will do this, or I also would like to do a printed copy as well. So I just have my list and I just kind of go through and check things off as I have it. So we are going to go ahead and do that now. I do have a load of like black clothes in the washer right now because that is where like all my black shorts and my biker shorts are, so those are getting washed, so I will need to wait for those. But let's go ahead and open this up. One thing that I like to use, and I normally just keep them in my suitcases whenever I am done with the vacation, are packing cubes. I got these off of Amazon. I will have them linked in my Amazon storefront, but I like to use packing cubes to just kind of help make sure that everything is nicely organized and compressed together. This will also be good because I have clothes for like Tampa when we're at the wedding and just around that are not Disney clothes, and then I have all my Disney stuff. So this will kind of help me keep those two things separated. Okay, so I have everything packed, but I do strongly suggest using your Loungefly as packing cubes. You can use them to store your extra bags and stuff, clothes, all of that. That way you kind of get a 2-for-1 and you can use it as a packing cube. But I just have all my clothes in here. I have my curling wand and my flat iron here, my little miscellaneous pouch, my ears pouch, and then my 3 Loungeflies. I'm also going to use this bag and I'm going to put items that I might need while we are on the trip and liquid stuff. So like my self-tanner, all of my toiletries, shoes are going to go in this pouch as well. And when you close that up, I also have a ton of ponchos there. So we are good to go. So it is officially travel day. We are doing some very last minute packing. I'm getting my like carry-on bag together. So these are basically just going to be things that are like liquid or things I might need to grab quickly. I always like to keep a bunch of Ziploc bags. You never know in case you need a Ziploc bag. This has all of my chargers with the cube that goes with them, so I can plug them in. I'm taking that. This just has things like Advil, some like period supply, Band-Aids, I think there's extra batteries, things like that in here. I will also kind of take some things out and put this in my bag for the parks. I have sunscreen. Let's see. Another little bag with like Band-Aids, nail tabs, wet wipes. I have a can of Sprite. Another brush. So this is like my makeup bag. This is another cosmetic bag. This is all my tanning stuff. Normally I wouldn't take self tanner, but we're going to a wedding. I'm going to be sweating a lot. I brought my actual self tanner. Make sure that you do keep them in baggies in case they leak like this one is going to. I have my Loving Tan self tanner. I have tan drops. I also have my B-Tan with my mitt and my brush. My like toiletries for like my face, toothbrush, all of that. I also have like some medications like Midol, Tylenol, Pepto in there. The last thing I kind of need to pack, I'm going to use this packing cube to do so. I do have like a specific shoe one, but it's small and I can't find it. But I'm going to bring a pair of sandals to wear for the wedding. A second pair I can wear either for the wedding or for the rehearsal dinner. And then I am bringing 2 pairs of shoes. I'm bringing this pair of Adidas shoes and then this pair of Nike shoes. And then I'm going to wear flip-flops. So I do pack 2 pairs of tennis shoes just because it can and probably will rain. And it is not fun to have a pair of soggy shoes. So this kind of makes it where if it does rain and we do get our shoes drenched, I will have another pair that I can wear and still be comfortable in. So I think we're ready to go. I just need to do my nails real quick, visit my parents, and then we should be ready to go.